I absolutely love those moments when a strategy gives a precise signal and you open perfect trades. Yesterday it worked 100% and I want to pull off this trick again. Let's check together if today will be just as awesome. This method actually works pretty well. I promise you will quickly get the hang of it and be able to use it on your own. I will be trading using my simple but highly effective strategy. All we need are two indicators, RSI and parallel channel. RSI is like a market overheating detector. If it's high, above 70, it means the price is already too expensive and might start dropping soon. If it's low, below 30, the market is oversold, meaning the price has fallen so much that buyers might start pushing it back up. Parallel channel is just a corridor where the price moves. You draw two parallel lines, and the price usually bounces between them like on a trampoline. The upper line is a resistance level where the price may bounce downward, and the lower line is a support level, where it may reverse upward. Together, these indicators give strong signals. RSI indicate the price is exhausted from climbing and we are near the upper channel boundary. Chances of a downward bounce are high, and if RSI shows oversold conditions and we are near the lower boundary, it's the perfect time to catch a long. Don't worry if anything seems unclear. Let's move to the practice part where I will show you exactly how it works. Let's add our indicators. RSI with a period of 4 to spot overbought and oversold conditions quickly, and the parallel channel for better price action visualization. The trade expiration is set to 1 minute and we are risking $100 per trade. So let's get started. I immediately notice a favorable situation. The price has reached the lower boundary of the channel. So I'm opening a long trade. According to RSI, the price is oversold, and as I can see, it reacts instantly, showing a bounce. So let's see how this trade plays out. So my trade closed in profit. The price continues to move impulsively, and as I can see, the channel is working perfectly in this case. So I will look for the next trade. Today's strategy is just the beginning. In my Telegram, I show you how to properly adapt it to the real market so you don't miss opportunities. Join now via the link below the video or in the comments and get the highest quality and freshest signals that without exaggeration can significantly improve your trading. And now I'm getting back to trading. RSI is at the bottom, and I can see the price approaching the lower boundary of the channel. That means I'm opening a long trade right here. The price is currently breaking through the channel. Let's see if I might have entered a bit too early. However, there is still a chance it will return to the channel and continue moving higher. I took a loss, but that's not a big deal. This is a great example of how the price can break through the channel and why you shouldn't rush. I shouldn't have waited for a better reaction. Looking for the next trades now. I will increase the risk per trade to cover this loss in the next one. I can see a local uptrend channel, and there is a strong reaction from the lower support line. RSI is also hinting at a potential upward move, so I'm opening a trade. Great trade! I see a strong reaction, so I'm closing the trade in profit. For now, I'm entering to my previous risk level. I'm returning and continuing to trade. Be sure to visit my Instagram for extra tips, updates, and insights that you won't find anywhere else. I'm opening a short trade in a downtrend channel. RSI also signaled that it's time for a correction. At the moment, the price is breaking above the channel. Let's see if it returns and this turns out to be a fake breakout or if it's actually a true breakout. This trade closed at loss. It happens, as you can see, even with strong indicator signals. Losses are part of the process. That's normal. The key is to stick to the strategy and stay profitable in the long run. So, looking for the next trade. Even though I were wrong in the previous trade, now it looks like the price wants to return to the channel and continue the short movement. I'm opening a trade here. Looks like that was a false breakout after all, and as I can see, the price is indeed dropping as expected, closing the trade in profit, returning to my standard risk and continue. Going long, RSI is exactly where I need it, in the oversold zone, but reacting earlier without fully reaching the lower boundary. That make this trade risky, but let's see how it plays out. Unfortunately, this trade ended in a loss. As I mentioned, the entry signals were risky, so I was prepared for this outcome. I will increase the risk and try to re-enter the long. Idea is still wallet. Plus $552 on this trade. Great! Going back to my previous risk level, continuing to trade, I want to find a few more solid opportunities. Also, connect with me on Telegram for unique strategies and in-depth insights, and enjoy all the newest trading updates and tips. I see a strong uptrend channel and the line reached the upper boundary. RSI is in the overbought zone, so I will try a short trade here, expecting a correction on this asset, so let's watch how it plays out. Closed at a loss, not the best entry point. Moving on and looking for other trades. Increasing the risk and trying to re-enter. I have already seen a similar situation before. I'm looking for a correction here. The indicator is clearly reacting from the upper channel line, and take a look at RSI. This indicator is practically begging to move downward, and it does. Didn't expect it to happen so quickly, but awesome. And it is a profit. And on this great note, I can wrap up our trading session. Let's summarize. $695 earned in this session. As you can see, the session included a variety of trades and I had some losses, but I am ending this session in profit. Now it's time to relax. I traded nice and now I can focus on my other tasks for the rest of the day. That's what I love about trading. Of course, none of this would be possible without discipline, patience, and experience. So I recommend beginners work on themselves and you will definitely achieve similar results. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's make sure every trader finds something useful here. And don't forget about my Telegram channel, where you can get the freshest and most promising signals from me that will significantly improve the quality of your trades. Trade smart, take your time, and remember, success comes from well thought out decisions and hard work. See you in the next videos, friends.